Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. So today we're talking about the tools you need in order to do your own wedding makeup. You don't have to memorize everything. I created a cheat sheet, so after watching this video you can download it. I separated the tools into three categories: the must-have, the basics, and the nice-to-have. The two items that are must-have are primers and setting sprays. Those are the two elements that are going to make sure that your makeup lasts the entire day. So you have to have a primer. I know you can use concealer, you can use moisturizer. However, the ingredients in the primers and the setting sprays are made in order to make your makeup last longer. So don't skip on them, especially if you have the funds in order to invest in a good one. Invest in a good one. The basics are foundation, concealer, and powder. I'll start with those first three. Foundation is going to give you an even skin tone. I created a video on foundation, so you can watch it if you need more information. The powder is going to set the foundation in place, so it helps with the longevity of the makeup, and it helps for your foundation to not be oily at the end of the day. And finally, concealer. Concealer is to hide any dark marks that you have or any blemishes that you have. So those three are going to be the basics of your foundation application. Wait until the end of this video because I'm giving you tips for when you're looking for product for your wedding day. Then you have 5 other basics: eyeshadow, mascara, eyeliner if you want, and for mascara you can remove it and put false lashes if you want false lashes. Then you have lipstick and you have eyebrow tool. So 5 things. Eyebrow tool, because we know that eyebrows are the element that shape your face. You can do nothing on your face, do your eyebrows, and it looks amazing. Then the lipstick. The lipstick, you can use a moisturizer or any color that you want. It complements the makeup. You have the eyeliner. It depends on you if you like eyeliner or not. You have the mascara or false lashes. Once you start, you know the difference when you have mascara, false lashes, or nothing. It's always good to make your eyes stand out. Finally, the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is good because you can use it for many other purposes. The last category, which is nice to have, includes 3 elements. You have highlight. Highlight, why did I include it here? Is because with a good eyeshadow palette, you can create you can use it as highlight. So it's not mandatory to have an highlight palette or an highlight on its own, because you can use other elements like eyeshadow to create the highlight. You can even use concealer for that as well. You don't need a contour palette. You don't need contour because you can again use eyeshadow or a foundation that is darker than your skin tone. Finally, the last element is a bronzer. You don't need a bronzer because a bronzer usually it's a mix of illuminator and a mix of highlight. Sorry, I use illuminator. It's a mix of highlight and the powder that you have. If you mix it, you can create a nice bronzer. So it's not mandatory. If you have it, then it's good, but it's not mandatory. As promised, here are the tips for when you're looking at specific product. Look at certain lingo, certain vocabulary. So you want to have something that is long wear, that is smudge proof, that is sweat proof, a product that is written like 24 hours wear, 16 hours wear, and finally you want something that is waterproof, because those products are going to make sure that the makeup lasts all day. There is one item, part of the must-have, that I forgot to mention, but if you're watching this video up until the end, then you are not missing it. It is the makeup brushes. You have to have great brushes in order to have a great application of the product. The brushes that you must have include a foundation brush, powder brush, a blending brush, and a flat brush. With only those 4 brushes, you can do your entire face, from foundation to your eyeshadow. You don't need anything else. You'll be able to do your entire face. If you want to learn how to use all those tools, I can help you. I've done many brides and many makeup on my clients. So you can book a makeup coaching call with me and we'll cover all of those items. If not, that's not an issue. You can watch another video here and keep learning how to do your own makeup.